good morning.
Hi, good morning.
And today is a good day to get married, sabi nga nila. It's
Yes.
AJ and Casey's wedding. And we are all prepared for today's virtual wedding. It's our first time experience. And
We want to share it with you kung paano ba yung online wedding na sinasabi since ito nga ang new normal natin today.
even weddings.
Yes.
So it's 9:30 here in the UAE and sa
Philippines,
Pilipinas.
1:30 p.m. So, excited na kami to celebrate with them. And by the way, we will be their ninong and ninang as well. So, excited kami for the both of them.
Yes.
As well as Aurora,
Naka-dress up
siya
pa ang
today.
dalaga. So, we are just waiting for the live broadcast.
Streaming.
Live broadcast to
Yes,
start.
live streaming. We will share it
with you. So,
Stay tuned.
stay tuned.
1 hour later.
Kakatapos lang namin umattend ng online wedding of Anthony and Casey.
And officially,
they are married! Yun. Despite the pandemic, natuloy ang kasal. Supposedly, their wedding was scheduled May this year.
Yes.
Pero
Magbibilang tayo kung ilang beses na siya na-move. Dapat December, ginawa namin January, March, April, May. Tapos yun nga, na-delay ulit, naging August. So parang 5 beses na siya na-move.
Parang ano siya, monthly thing na siya. Parang na-schedule monthly. Pero ayun nga, kahit na move, naniniwala kami na it will happen tayo.
Yeah.
and today, finally, they are Mr. and Mrs. Romero! Congratulations! We thought of doing this vlog to highlight kung ano ang new normal ngayon. A lot of those who planned to get married during this season, there were changes of plans,
Yes.
rescheduling. Do you want to discuss about pros and cons
Yes, pros and cons
of
having a virtual wedding or online wedding.
we also had our online outfit of the day.
Yes,
Pati
our
si Aurora,
OOTD.
she has her OOTD. Ano ba ang nakikita mong pros ng online wedding, love?
Ang unang pros na nakita ko is mabilis siya or yung flow ng program hindi ka masyadong maghihintay, which is napaka-efficient siya.
Isa pa namin nakikita is very intimate.
Sobrang intimate weddings are really beautiful kasi nga sobrang kasama lang yung family, close friends.
You've got to celebrate the special moment with your immediate family. These people are there to celebrate with you. I think it's already complete. You don't need to stress yourself to invite a lot of people to celebrate with you. Although that is very important as well because yun nga yung mga taong kasama nyo during your journey towards your wedding and up until your marriage.
Yes.
Pero pagkagaya namin, we are still celebrating with you guys. Kahit malayo kami, our hearts are with them celebrating.
Kapag online wedding ka is you get to celebrate it with the people na kahit na hindi na dun sa mismong country na pinag-celebrate ng wedding, nakakasali pa rin katulad namin, nandito kami sa UAE, pero nakasali pa rin kami sa wedding.
And we heard during the live broadcast, may mga friends sila all over the world. May from Hong Kong, may from Papua New Guinea, from Nepal, from US. One advantage that we saw earlier is that they have the privilege to give the option to those people who have attended their wedding to
Give their presents.
be it cash or thank you Shopee or delivery with their gifts. So, napaka-efficient, no?
Tsaka hassle-free.
Hassle-free. I believe it is budget-friendly as well. Aside sa sabi namin kanina intimate, alam naman natin kapag bagong mag-asawa, it's not really easy with regards to money. This will help the newlywed couple to really start up their journey as mag-asawa na established with regards to finances. Yung cons naman is syempre nakakamiss yung
You get to see
physically
people physically talk to them face-to-face, hindi virtual.
Yung mga handshake, yung mga hugging, you want really to express yung
Pagka-miss mo dun sa
pagka-miss mo sa
tao.
kanila and you're there celebrating with them. Since ngayon pandemic, we observe social distancing,
and wearing mask.
So, hindi nakikita yung mga full smile ng mga guests.
Medyo kakaiba siya ngayon, pero kailangan kasi natin siyang gawin.
We need to
accept it. Yes, and deal with
and
it.
comply.
Yes, and comply with the new normal. Kasi for the safety naman yan.
Minimal naman, hindi naman siya off, pero
yes,
yun lang yung nakikita namin kasi we are happy people, so we want to show
the happy
smiles to everyone.
Hindi natin magagawa yung karaniwan na ginagawa natin sa isang wedding.
Nakakamiss naman talaga yung party after the wedding, yung reception. We just want to comply with the law and the rules.
Classroom may batas. Bawal lumabas o bawal lumabas.
So, hindi man magawa yung nakagawian na party after the wedding.
We can celebrate in a different way ngayon.
Online handaan na lang.
Isa pang concept ng online wedding is yung internet connection.
If you are a guest to an online wedding, make sure that you have a good internet connection kasi instead na makika-enjoy ka, baka mag-struggle ka pa magayos. We appreciate AJ and Casey's wedding kasi may advice sila doon na make sure that you have a good internet connection.
Maganda rin yung mapapanood mo dun sa pinapanood mong wedding.
That's right. That's just some of the pros and cons of online wedding. Sobrang alam namin na our friends, our inaanak, Casey and Anthony, we are so happy for the both of you. And we get to celebrate this special moment ninyong dalawa.
We're just so happy and we're excited on how God will unfold His plans for your life as a husband and wife. Your wedding is the most glorious wedding na itinakda ni Lord.
It's something that you can tell to your children that you had a very unique wedding, you had a glorious wedding, and that is the most important. At si Lord nandyan sa celebration nyo.
Either it's online or face-to-face wedding, ang pinaka-importanteng bisita or nandun sa wedding nyo is si Lord.
Yes, He is the most important guest.
He is the most important
Not us, na ninong-ninang, not your friends. And that makes your wedding complete and special.
And unique.
And there you go. I hope that you enjoyed our first-hand experience sa aming first online wedding experience.
Sa mga ikakasal dyan na nagdadalawang isip pa, ito na ang sagot. Ituloy niyo pa din. Basta ang importante, nandun si Lord sa kasal niya.
At nandun yung bride. Sabi nga sa word, di ba? He who finds a wife finds favor from God. It's something that you can think about if you will proceed with your plans or not. And that's our take about online wedding.
Yes.
Sa mga papas Marita, thank you. Churchmates, and friends, family, workmates, salamat sa inyo lahat. Ayun. Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you for watching to our vlog.
See you next
See
time.
you next time.